If you're out and about printing photos with your Sprocket, you want the battery to last as long as possible. To do this, always fully charge the battery. Plug the USB cable into the printer and the other end into a power source, such as a wall outlet, computer, or even an external battery. You can always view the battery percentage on your Sprocket. Open the Sprocket app, tap the menu icon, tap Sprocket, and then tap Printers. Under Status, you can view your printer battery percentage. You can continue printing photos even when the printer is charging. Printing a photo uses battery power, whether the Sprocket is charging or using only battery power. If the battery power runs out, connect the charger to the printer for at least 90 minutes to fully charge the battery. The LED on your Sprocket turns green when it's fully charged. A fully charged Sprocket can print 30 to 40 photos before you need to charge it again. If you're taking a little break from printing photos, connect the USB and charge the printer back to 100% so you can take more pictures later. For longer periods of time, turn off your Sprocket to save the battery for when you need it. By default, the printer stays on for 5 minutes before automatically turning off. Change the auto-off setting from the Sprocket app to save battery power for when you're printing photos. Tap the menu icon, tap Sprocket, and then tap Printers. Tap Auto-Off, and then tap the shortest time option. By using these tips, you save the battery life of your Sprocket for printing your favorite photo memories.